overwhelmed by the constant amount of information about generative AI. Always in social media seeing how every other business is capitalizing on taking their business forward, getting ahead of the competition. Join me as I spend the day with you, breaking down what's real and what's not, breaking down the risks of Gen AI and showcasing the opportunities. We will get into what your current legacy systems are like right now, so that we can understand if they are ready for a world of AI, more specifically Gen AI. It is so important that you know where you stand with your legacy infrastructure. I will help you distill the right use case for the right return on investment. At the end of this one-day workshop, not only will you understand the depths of generative AI, where it was formed, who's leading in what race, how it impacts your business, how do you take competitive advantage of this, but you will have an idea on how to implement this into your culture, how to essentially shape where your strategy needs to go. AI strategies literally have gone from a 3-year strategy as per Gartner into a 1-year strategy. This world's moving quickly. I can help you right now get ahead and start to figure out what you need to do in the next 3 months. So with this generative AI assessment workshop, we'll spend a day together able to help you solve problems with Gen AI and take advantage of this phenomenal technology. I'm looking forward to spending time with you and your executives so that we can change the world with Gen AI.